Thank you.
On it. The fourth socket is not working, production issue. But they were flying it initially. And just to prevent the accidental causes, so we are not flying it here. Yeah. I think we can give a huge round of applause to the upcoming generation of India. So they are really small in age and they are doing wonders. Thank you. Thank you, Jasmine Mankarit. Thank you for coming and sharing your knowledge. Okay.
The event today was really good. We enjoyed the presentations and we learned a lot of new things about AI in all of in the various sectors.
Uh, this event was quite knowledgeable for me as well, as I learned about the quantum computing things, and I loved that a lot. And I also learned new things about AI and AGI also.
Thank you very much and thank you